Modernizing your tech stack with microservices, Kubernetes, and Cloud Formation. In this presentation, we'll explore how transitioning from monolithic architectures to microservices, built with cutting-edge technologies like Spring Boot, and deployed on Kubernetes, with automated infrastructure set up using Cloud Formation, can revolutionize your development process. Before we dive into modernization topic, let's take a moment to understand the challenges posed by traditional approaches. In the world of monolithic architecture, manual configuration and setup were the norms. Cloud infrastructure deployment and management required tedious manual efforts, while scaling and orchestration tasks were handled manually. This manual intervention often led to inefficiencies, increased risk of errors, and slower deployment cycles. We're here to show you how we're modernizing these processes in an automated and efficient manner. Let us look into the tools and technologies used. Built on Java. Using Spring Boot. Secured with Spring Security and OAuth. Spring Cloud, providing essential tools like API Gateway and Eureka Service Registry. MySQL for the database. Apache Kafka for event streaming. Kubernetes for container orchestration. Cloud services including AWS. EKS simplifies Kubernetes management in the AWS cloud. With AWS Code Pipeline, we automate our deployment. AWS Cloud Formation automates our infrastructure provisioning. Let's look into the architecture and examine each component that comprises our microservices infrastructure. Eureka Service Registry facilitates service discovery, allowing microservices to locate and communicate with each other dynamically. API Gateway acts as a central entry point, routing and managing API requests, enhancing security and scalability. The above two components are built using Spring Cloud. Auth Service provides authentication and authorization functionalities, ensuring secure access control across microservices powered by Spring Security and OAuth. Also, there are some application-specific services like Profile Service for user management, Notification Service for sending notifications. Apache Kafka enables event-driven communication between microservices, ensuring real-time data processing. MySQL serves as the backend database management system, providing reliable storage and efficient data retrieval. This microservices setup is deployed within a Kubernetes cluster, leveraging its advanced orchestration capabilities. Let's now examine how our infrastructure is set up in the AWS cloud. AWS Elastic Load Balancer serving as a scalable and reliable entry point for incoming traffic. Front-end access is managed through an ingress controller within our Kubernetes cluster. Pods are dynamically scaled to meet demand, optimizing resource utilization and enhancing performance. AWS Code Pipeline orchestrates our CI/CD pipeline, seamlessly integrating with Amazon ECR to support advanced analytics. We utilize Elasticsearch for efficient log and data analysis, and Prometheus for monitoring and alerting. Role-based access control is managed through AWS. CloudWatch provides comprehensive monitoring and logging capabilities. AWS Key Management Service safeguards sensitive data. This setup ensures scalability, reliability, and security, enabling us to effectively deploy and manage our applications in the cloud. Now, let's move from theory to practice and see our solutions in action. Let's begin by showcasing the Cloud Formation script. This script encapsulates the infrastructure as code approach. Next, we'll navigate to the AWS console to observe our EKS clusters. As you can see, currently, there are no clusters present. Now, we'll upload the Cloud Formation script to initiate the stack creation process. Once uploaded, everything within the stack will transition to the Create in Progress state. After a few minutes, we observe that the stack transitions to the Create Complete state. Returning to the AWS EKS console, we now can see our EKS cluster up and running. Now, let's put our application to the test. Using Postman, we'll interact with one of our API to demonstrate functionality. And here is the response: our application is working perfectly. In conclusion, through the seamless integration of microservices, Kubernetes, and cloud formation, we have successfully modernized our tech stack.